So good evening guys, this is Divyansh Padoria and this video is a sequel of the best book series which I have posted day before yesterday. In this I will be discussing or rather suggesting you some books for your physics preparation for your JEE or your NEET or your BITSAT or any other competitive examination. So let's get started. So the first book which I will tell is the basic NCERT. Now doing NCERT in physics is a different approach. I will not suggest you to do theory from NCERT because NCERT theory is a bit lengthy and it can get a bit monotonous. Though it is quite nice, but it can get a monotonous. So I will not suggest theory from it. I will just suggest, if you are advanced going, I will suggest you do the extra questions there which are given, that additional problem practice section. Even the main students should also do that. They contain some good problems which can even be asked in advance also. Or you can do the NCERT exemplar. I am only suggesting you to do the problem part, and that too only the exemplar, good questions, and the second thing, that additional problems. Now the main book which I will suggest you for physics and which everyone should have is H.C. Verma. H.C. Verma is no doubt the god book for physics. Like if you are not able to understand a theory for a particular topic or in a particular chapter or anything random in physics, you can always go for H.C. Verma. That book becomes an encyclopedia for you in that reference. And even if you want to practice problems, you can also practice the conceptual questions of H.C. Verma. Or rather, I'll suggest you to practice those conceptual problems if you are not going to any coaching. If you are going to coaching, then you can skip a bit of problem, but still you should try. At least you should do the last 10 to 15 problems. They are really good, and even they require some advanced aptitude. Even the students which are preparing for NEET, they should study H.C. Verma because most of the 99% of the concepts which are asked in the NEET examinations are from H.C. Verma only. One or two questions generally come which are a bit twisted and that occurs if the paper is tough. If the paper is a bit easy, like what happened in 2020 or 2019, the level remains generally the same. So H.C. Verma is a must-do book for every aspirant. And if you're a non-coaching guy, you must do it completely. And if you're a coaching guy, you can just shortlist some problem, but read the theory properly and do the those questions, those objective questions, and those short answer questions. They do all of them, and the numerical question you can shortlist according to what you have done in your coaching sheet or module, whatever you call it. Okay. The next book which I'll suggest you, this is only for those people who want a really good rank in the JEE Advanced, like something about top 500. They should study Irodov, H.C. Verma, and H.C. Verma is a sufficient book for advanced. But if you want a rank like top 1000 or top 500, or go for Irodov. I will not say you to do it completely because much of it is generally irrelevant for your JEE. But the mechanics section and few questions in electrodynamics and thermodynamics, they are really cool and you must do them. So Irodov, I will say that you can go on the internet and you will find some sources where you can get shortlisted question. Even if you can go to a coaching teacher, he or she will also shortlist it. But do this book if you want a very good rank, and doing the shortlisted question is just enough. Other books which I will suggest you for your Olympiad, if you are Olympiad oriented. First book is SS Krotov. For Olympiad, you must complete Irodov completely. You can go for SS Krotov, like if you want to practice a bit more advanced level problem, or if you want to read a bit of theory. For theory purpose, I will suggest you Resnick Halidim. These two books are enough for you if you are going for Olympiad level. Now, for an ideal JEE aspirant or a NEET aspirant, I will tell you the perfect combination, like I told in the chemistry video. But the perfect combination in my reference is, if you are a coaching going student, the H.C. Verma plus your coaching sheet and the NCERT exemplar problem, and if you are top 500 oriented, Irodov selected problems. And if you are a non-coaching guy, H.C. Verma complete, NCERT only the exemplar problems for you and additional problems, and if you are a top 500 guy, Irodov again. So this is a basic pack which I will say you is just enough for you to ace any competitive exam. And for NEET aspirants, I will not recommend to do Irodov at all, because NEET questions are generally straightforward. You can, if you are preparing for AIMS, you can go for Irodov, but for NEET, I'll say don't even touch that book. That's not needed for NEET at all. Just study your HC Verma and your NCRT exemplars and additional problems. That is just more than sufficient. So this was all from my side. So thank you. Do like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel.